In this watercolor tutorial, we'll be painting a lovely winter floral by applying a wet on dry technique and practicing object placement and brush control. This tutorial is all about having fun, so sit down and enjoy your creative me time. For this painting, you need a square-shaped piece of paper, masking tape and a round size 8 and round size 0 brush. Anything similar is perfectly fine too. We'll be using the colors indigo blue, Naples yellow, yellow ochre, and raw sierra. Start by applying masking tape on the edges of your watercolor paper to create clear white edges. The size of the white edges is totally up to you. You can even skip this step if you like your painting better without clear white edges. We'll get started with 2 Naples yellow flowers, one in the bottom left corner and one in the upper right corner. Use your size 8 round brush and paint teardrop-shaped petals that point to the center of your painting. Start by barely touching the paper and apply more pressure at the end of your petal. Drop some yellow ochre in the corners of the petals when the paint is still wet. We'll be moving on to the blue leaves when these single petals are drying. Paint the leaves with a medium dark shade of your indigo blue paint. Start painting a leaf by barely touching the paper, drag the belly of your brush down, and lift the brush again at the end of that leaf. Paint about 7 leaves on each side. Try to mirror everything you paint. Leaves on the bottom left side means leaves on the upper right side too. Connect the leaves with branches of a dark indigo blue shade. You can use your size 0 brush for this step. Don't worry if the dark blue shade bleeds into the lighter shade of the leaves. It gives the painting just a lively feeling. There you are! You created your very own winter floral. I really enjoyed my creative me time and I hope you did too. Thank you for taking the time to paint with me today.